Okay, here's a quick tutorial on how to turn in your Eclipse projects. So first let's find the destination on which we're going to send these, and it's going to be in Otus. So if we go to our Otus platform, you should see within your class an assignment like a project. So this is a preview mode. This is not your necessary mode. This is teacher mode. But say, for instance, we have this project, Zero Modern Art. We need to get that turned in. It's worth 50 points. So I'm going to show you what it might look like on your end as previewing it from mine. It says click start when you're ready to begin the activity. Here's the start. And here is your rubric. That's also found on the BSU website. And so we're going to be turning this file in right here. And it is going to be a zip file. So I'm going to keep this page open and minimize it so that I can get back to it rather quickly. So here is our Eclipse program, and we're going to need to export this project. So under File, you're going to go down to Export. Then you're going to go Archive File. You're going to double click on that. If you didn't see how I did that, you can click one time to hit Next, or you can hit double click on Archive File. And you're going to go find the project. So that was Project Modern Art. Let's make sure I have the right one here. I'm looking at Modern Art. This is number 2. This is a project Modern Art number 2, and that's the class Modern Art. So I'm going to go into my Modern Art number 2. I'm going to select that. And so it's going to select all those files there that are part of that project. Now I need to browse for a location for where I'm going to save this. So you may want to create a folder inside your some sort of organizer so that you have a way to keep these managed. So I'm going to create a new folder inside my desktop or my documents. I'm going to maybe rename that folder CSA Projects. And inside that folder, I'm going to create another one. Now this is where I want you to put your name on it so that it has a way of me seeing that on the zip file. So I'm going to say Williamson Modern Art. And you can see that it's going to be a zip file. I'm going to save that right there. So that's where this destination folder is going to go. So I have all these selected. I hit finish. And if we go to that folder that we just created, so let's say documents, CS121 projects, CSA projects, there is my project. This is a zip file. Now I'm able to drag and drop this right into our Otus platform. So right here we have an upload of a file. I take that, I left click, hold on my mouse, drag and drop, and it has been uploaded. If we have other files, like maybe a Word document to talk about your README file, that might be something that we can also attach in here too, because it does allow for Word documents. So that's a quick run through where we're going to be turning our projects in, how to export them from Eclipse, and how to turn them into Otus.